Hey everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you love simple, natural skincare just like me, you're going to love today's video. I'm sharing one of my favorite homemade face packs that gives you clear, glowing, and healthy skin, using only 3 herbal ingredients you can easily find at home. Yes, just neem powder, orange peel powder, and rose water. No chemicals, no fancy products, just pure nature in a bowl. So, let's get started. Herb emoji, ingredients and benefits, 035 to 140. Let's begin with the first ingredient, neem powder. It's been used in Indian skincare for centuries. Neem has strong antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that help in reducing acne, blackheads, and even small skin infections. If your skin gets oily or breaks out easily, neem is your skin's best friend. The second ingredient is orange peel powder. It's a powerhouse of vitamin C, the key nutrient that brightens dull skin and fades dark spots. It gently exfoliates, removes tan, and adds a natural glow. It's like giving your face a mini vitamin facial right at home. And the third magic ingredient is rose water. It cools, hydrates, and refreshes your skin instantly. It balances the neem's strong action and keeps your skin soft and fresh. Together, these 3 create a perfect balance: one purifies, one brightens, and one soothes. Now let's make this herbal face pack. Take 1 teaspoon of neem powder and 1 teaspoon of orange peel powder. Add rose water slowly, just enough to make a smooth, creamy paste. Apply it evenly on your clean face, avoiding the eyes and lips. Let it dry for about 15 to 20 minutes. While it dries, you'll feel a light cooling sensation. That's neem working its magic. Once it's fully dry, rinse off with lukewarm water and gently pat dry. Sparkles emoji, results and tips, 215 to 245. After just one use, you'll notice your skin looks fresher and feels cleaner. With regular use, say 2 or 3 times a week, your acne will reduce, dark spots will fade, and your face will glow naturally. If your skin feels dry, add a few drops of honey or aloe vera gel to the pack. So, if you love this DIY remedy, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more natural beauty tips, and share this with your friends. See you soon in the next video.